I was based in Thailand, Taiwan, Singapore, China, and Hong Kong over for about 15 years.
Wow.
So I'm back in Malaysia about 7 years ago.
Okay.
That was like that point I was thinking that, oh, I should go for retire. I should retire. So then after 5 years, I find that it's quite boring if you're retiring. So then I go back to kind of semi-retiring. I do some consulting work for supply chain as well as sales operation. I only did value investing and one of the growth investing course. But I find that, okay, at the end of the day, I don't know. You know, it's kind of like I don't dare to go and do my own trading. The biggest positive for BI is they actually teach you how to operate the tool, the software, you know, the system, things like the IB, the TWS things, you know, you really know that. Those things like the knowledge about this, which share you should choose, how to do the valuation, all those, they have. I wouldn't say very good or very bad. I think they have their plus there, you'll have your plus here. Yeah. But the very last part, they always did not tell you that, okay, which broker you should choose, you know, you can have a paper account to try, all those things. So this is really a big plus. We know that we will be able to operate ourselves. Yeah, we want to be an investor. We don't want to be a person that will buy and sell, get someone to do for us. Yeah. The materials, the materials provided or the information or the knowledge providers are really good. Really good. Yeah. Second thing is the support team. I think I haven't seen courses that I attended. They tell me that they have so many coaches, there's so many people, the helper behind the scene, you know, answer your question, helping you to set up all those things. Also, you have all those things like Facebook, you know, question card, all those things. They are really, really, you know, give you the confidence that, oh, what if I'm lost? So there are always people there to help me. So basically, I will say that if we do our homework or we do our preparations, we should be very comfortable in the course. Oh yeah, another thing is your watch list.
Yeah.
It tells us they're very safe that, you know, even we go and do it ourselves, we like this account, this stock or that ticker or whatever, but you still can see that, oh, there are watch lists there, is in the watch list. If not, why not? You know, you need to go and find out before you can invest. For these courses, you don't need accounting knowledge. Actually, it's kind of like, you know, what is the formula, what is the benchmark, you know, that is enough. So it is quite a comfortable class. Okay, that's because of you have a very strong support team. The outcomes, the deliverables are really good. So that's the reason why I say I strongly recommended to some of my friends that they want to go retiring earlier or semi-retiring, they should look into this.